Many people think if one layer of soundproofing reduces noises, then two layers should work even better. It sounds logical. That is why some car owners continue adding more material, vibration damping, sound insulation, foam, and extra acoustic layer until almost every panel is covered several times. But automotive acoustics is more complicated than that. More layers do not always mean better results. Welcome to CTK Europe channel. Here we explain complex topic in simple language and challenge common myth about soundproofing. We do more than sell soundproofing material. We have our own production facility and our own technology for manufacturing material. For more than 10 years, we have been developing material for soundproofing and vibration control for automotive, marine and construction application. Today, CTK Europe has a network of more than 24 distributors across Europe and other parts of the world. In this video, we will explain why effective soundproofing is not simple about adding more layers. It's about understanding how each layer works. Professional NVH engineering performance depends not on the number of layers, but on the function of each one. A vibration damping material controls resonance and reduces structural vibration. A sound insulation layer helps reduce the transmission of airborne noise. A sound-absorbing material works with sound reflection and acoustic energy inside the empty space. Decoupling material helps prevent vibration from moving between different parts of the vehicle. Each layer has its own job. The result comes from how these layers work together, not simply from how many layers are installed. Let's take a car door as an example. The outer metal panel may need vibration damping to reduce resonance. The openings may need to be sealed to help the speaker work more effectively. A sound-absorbing material may be used inside in the door cavity. The interior door panel may need a decoupling layer to prevent squeaks, rattles, and vibrations. This is a system. But when the resonance is already under control, adding another layer of vibrodamping may produce almost no noticeable difference. There will be more material, the vehicle will become heavier, the installation will become more difficult, but the acoustic improvement may be very small. This is called diminishing returns. The first layer often gives the biggest improvement because it controls the main problem. The second layer may provide some additional benefit, but every extra layer usually gives a smaller and smaller improvement. This does not mean that multi-layer systems do not work. In fact, correctly designed multi-layer NVH system can be very effective. However, every layer should be added for a clear reason, not because more is always better, but because it solves a specific acoustic problem. Another important factor is the weight. Every additional layer adds extra weight to the vehicle. Weight can affect fuel consumption, acceleration, braking, handling and the driver range of the electric vehicle. This is why the modern approach is not use the maximum amount of material. The goal is to achieve maximum performance with the minimum necessary weight. The best soundproofing system is not the one with the most layers. The best system is one where every material performs in the right function in the right place. A professional approach begins with analysis. Where the noise comes from? How does it travel through the vehicle? What needs to be controlled? Vibration, airborne noise, sound reflection or resonance? And which layer is really necessary in this area? That is why the myth more layers always mean the better result. This is not true. Successful soundproofing is not about adding as many material as possible. It's about understanding how noise travels through the vehicle and using the right layers in the right place. Follow CTK Europe on social media to learn more about soundproofing, vibration and acoustic comfort. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and tell us in the comments if it was useful for you or not. See you in the next video.